In this video, we're simply solving for A. What that means is we were trying to get an answer where we have A is equal to some answer. In this case, it's a number answer, okay? It's going to be a number term. Okay, so what do we do? How do we do this? Okay, well, first we're going to look, where is our unknown variable? Here we go. We've got our A here. On the side of the equal sign that our A is, we have this other term, this plus 50, okay? We want to get rid of that, okay? We need to isolate our A. We need our A by itself on one side of the equal sign, and we need all the other terms moved to the other side of the equal sign. So the way we do this is we look at whatever operation was going on here. So we have a plus 50. So we want to do the opposite operation. So if we had a plus 50, then if we did a negative 50, that would cancel, okay? So we could either write negative 50 or we could write plus negative 50, okay? So we can add a negative 50 or we can subtract 50, okay? It's the same thing. So we're going to add a negative 50. Okay, so these two terms are going to cancel. However, this is where sometimes we run into a bit of problem. We can't just add negative 50 to one side of our equation, okay? If we do that, we've completely changed our equation, okay? We've created a new equation. We're no longer solving the equation we started with. So the rule of thumb is whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we got to do it to the other side too, okay? So if we added negative 50 to the left-hand side, we need to add a negative 50 to the right-hand side of our equal sign as well, okay? Now that we've done that, we have this balance, right? We've done the same thing to both sides of our equation. So it's okay. We have not changed our equation. We've not changed our unknown, okay? So let's go ahead and simplify. We're going to combine like terms. So we have this negative 50 here. We have this positive 50 here. When we combine these two terms, we get 0. That means they've canceled. And the only term then we're left with on this left-hand side is this A. And that's exactly what we wanted, right? We're trying to solve for A. Okay, now let's look at the right-hand side of this equation. We have this 9 plus negative 50. Well, we can go ahead, just perform this operation, this plus. So 9 plus negative 50 is going to give us an answer of negative 41. Okay, so our answer is A equals negative 41. Now, there's one more thing we need to check. In math, we have things called math conventions. That's our math notation, the way we write things in math. What math convention tells us is when we have an unknown, like this A, we want our unknown, or our A, to end up on the left-hand side of the equal sign, and whatever it's equal to, in this case, a number term, we want that on the right-hand side of the equal sign, okay? So let's check. Is our unknown A on the left-hand side? Yes, it is. Is our number term that it's equal to on the right-hand side? Yes, it is. Okay, that's perfect. So we don't need to rewrite anything. We don't need to rearrange anything. We followed the math convention accidentally, but that's okay. Our answer is in the right format and the notation's proper. So we can leave our answer alone then. And once again, our answer is simply A equals negative 41. If you would like to learn how to quickly study for your GED exam online and get a new resume, then visit testprepskills.com.